Welcome, today we're going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Snapchat. As you from here, I already opened Snapchat. After that, you need to click on your profile picture on the top left corner. After you open your profile, as you from here, you need to click on public profile from here. So just click on public profile. So now it will tell you what you can do on public profile. So it says you can show off your best snaps, save your favorite snaps on your public profile for everyone to see, choose a profile and cover photo, grow your audience, get deeper insights. So from here you can click on OK, and now you can start making your public profile. So from here you can click on add snaps, as see from here, and now you can choose things from your camera roll. As see from here, you can add memories, post archives, and then hit on next and add them to the public profile. As see from here, you can click on add spotlight, and you can change your followers to public and everything to public from here. You can add a photo, add a background, you can see your insights from here and add it to a public story or something, and that's actually how you make your public profile on Snapchat. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.